Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. I haven't seen you guys for a while. I've been really busy. Today I wanted to do a fire in honor of the people in North Carolina, Tennessee that lost their lives. Not only them, but the people who lost their homes, and some of them lost their families, and also for the emergency personnel who are trying to help, and for all the people who are donating and doing all these wonderful things trying to help these folks. I'm fortunate. I live in North Carolina, but I'm in the central North Carolina when it didn't bother me. I got some heavy rain, some winds. Fortunately, I didn't lose anything, and I'm really blessed that I didn't. But this smoke and this fire is going up for those folks. And I'm using a piece of flint that I got in western North Carolina, actually in Cherokee. So that will also be in honor of them. My striker I got from another friend of mine, and I'm hoping now these cut up bills here are going to be a little bit damp and hard to light, but we'll see. And it being light outside, it's hard to see these sparks, but I got one right there already, and I'm gonna put it in there and see if I can get it to light. And we got flame. We should have plenty of smoke. For you praying folks, lift up the people in North Carolina and Tennessee who've lost so much. Don't forget them. Thank you for watching. God bless. I appreciate it. Don't forget, tell somebody you love them, because they may not be here tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless you.